Hello, it's Tech Buzz, and we've got the new Sony LinkBuds in for review. So we're going to unbox them, give you a quick look. Any questions, feel free to ask as per usual. So these are the latest on offer with IPX4 water rating, 5.5 hours from each earbud, and you get 12 hours extra from the case. And a 10-minute charge will give you 90 minutes of playtime, which is pretty good. And we've got all the latest technology involved with these as well. So you've got your 5.5 plus 12 there. You've got just basic information there. So you got iPod, iPhone, Alexa built in, Google, and all that kind of stuff. So I want to get them opened, have a look, and see what they are like. In the box, could have been a bit easier to open, but sure, look. So you open up here, you've got LinkBuds there on the front. Nice presentation, pops open there like so. So we'll take everything out. There's the earbuds there, and your packaging here. So you'll have to get your app to get going. We've got our cable here, which has China written on it and Sony written on this side. What else do we get? It's a nice small presentation. So slide out drawer, pretty cool. You've got 360 audio, reality audio, and that's that there. You have got just that, and you got your user guides and all that kind of stuff. So we'll be going through all that anyway in the full review. Excuse the hoarse throat that I have today. So I'm just going to pop all that aside and have a look at the buds. And you can see this case is tiny. It's got a lovely finish on it. It's like ceramic, more so than gloss or matte. You've got a button up on front, button up on the back, and a USB-C port on the back. And that's what they look like inside. You see if you've got an LED light. They're not going to fall out. And that's what the case looks like inside. You've got left and right. So on the earbuds you've got left and right as well, with the red and silver, which matches the case inside, so you don't get them mixed up on the back end. You can see you've also got some little winglets on them there as well, which is nice, but these are tiny and very small. And you see the connection points there as well, and of course your IR, so you've got auto play and pause built in as well. So that's basically what they look like for fresh out of the box there. Pop in like so, job is done. See an LED up front again, and that'll be our repairing button there, wherever the case may be. That's basically it for now. So any questions, feel free to hit us up on techbuzzorn.com. We'll have a full review in a week or two, and you can ask us in the interim if you need anything you need to know. I'll talk to you then.